What is MMM? This is a community of people who wants to be financially free. No, MMM is not a bank, it's not collect your money, not an online business, HYIP, investment, or MLM program. MLM has no central account where money can be stolen. Participants transfer money directly to each other. How does it work? You need the following email address and Bitcoin wallet. Register to mmglobal.org and use my link. After registration, you will have your own personal office where you can provide help and get help. If you provide help, it will be converted to Mavro units. Mavro will be withdrawable when you need help, and it is equivalent to the amount of money. MMM is a mutual aid program. Your Mavro grows 30% per month. Bonus program, 10% referral bonus. Manager's bonus multi-level program, 3 to 5% video testimonial bonus. Free lottery every Wednesday. Why train MMM? This is a community of financial help. Banks are structured as pyramids. They pay people from the money also collected from people. MMM uses the same concept but as a mutual money. People exchange your money voluntarily. Here, we can attain financial freedom. If you want to know more about MMM Global, please contact me here in Facebook. See you there.
Created using Powtoon.